Watch this video and learn how to draw a really funny clown.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie.
Hello, little artist.
Hello, little artist. Are you in a good mood, Artie?
Yeah, Artie's in a very good mood.
Oh, that's really good, Artie.
Yeah,
What should we do?
Artie want a drawing.
We can do a drawing today.
Yeah.
Go and get some paper, Artie.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And don't forget your markers.
Good day, little artists!
Hey, little artists, how's it going?
All right, Artie. Are you ready to begin?
Okay.
You know how you love clowns, Artie? We're going to draw a clown. This is going to be so much fun.
What a fantastic day it is to do some art!
Every day's a fantastic day to do art.
Let's start with our clown's eyes. We'll draw the left eye first, draw a little circle in the middle of the page, and then draw a little black dot towards the top of that circle. Now let's draw the right eye. Draw another circle to the right side of the one we already drew. Very good. Don't forget the little black dot in the middle. Now let's draw the clown's red nose. Draw a large circle underneath the two eyes. You can draw the circle in sections because sometimes it's difficult to draw a big circle in one go, so draw it in sections. Clowns always have funny big noses.
Okay.
Let's draw a shape around the eyes. Clowns wear makeup, so sometimes the features are a little bit different than if we were drawing a normal person. Draw half a circle above the left eye, and then half a circle above the right eye, but come all the way round and touch the nose. Now do the same on the left side.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw a big, funny top hat on top of our clown's head. A big curved line going up to the top of the page, and a shorter one on the right. Connect the two lines with a big oval shape. Let's draw two horizontal lines at the bottom of the hat. They can be slightly curved. There's one, and then draw one just underneath, Artie.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey!
Me too, Betty.
Connect the ends with a little half circle, and one on the left as well, Artie. Let's draw a stripe, quarter way up the hat. Now it's time for a big, smiley clown mouth. Draw little lines on the ends. Now let's draw a big curved line underneath to show that the clown's mouth is open. Let's draw a line across for the teeth, and let's do a sort of heart shape for the clown's tongue. Now let's draw a line around the mouth as if it's the clown's makeup. Start from the nose, come all the way round.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
Do the same on the right side. All the way round. Now let's connect the two lines. Come down towards the chin. And again on the right side. Come down towards the chin. And then fill in at the bottom. Oh! Dance break? You want a dance break, Artie? Go on then. Off you go.
I don't want to be judgy, but I am a judge, so it's a 10.
Artie, that was a wonderful dance break. And Betty, I love that you joined in too. Okay, come on, let's carry on and finish this clown drawing. Let's start the clown's hair. 2 circles on the right, and then we'll draw a sort of cloud shape. Lots of half circles that join to the next one. Perfect. He has a cloud-shaped bunch of hair on the right. Now let's do the same on the left side, Artie. Remember, lots of half circles connected to the next. Make it look sort of like a cloud, a big fluffy cloud. Are you happy with the way it's coming along? Oh, good. Me too. I think it looks fantastic. Very clowny. Now, sometimes, Artie, clowns wear big bow ties. Let's give our clown a big bow tie. Draw a hook shape on the left and a hook shape on the right. A curve at the bottom and go in towards the chin. And then come out from the chin and connect to the right side of the bow tie. Now let's add the knot.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Let's add some circles inside the bow tie to give it a polka dot pattern.
Polka dot?
Yes, Artie, polka dot. That's a pattern with lots of circles.
Oh.
Should we add some circles on the left? Yes, I think we should. Let's keep it symmetrical. Symmetrical means you draw the same thing on one side that you've already drawn on the other side. Well, our clown is looking very finished and very funny, Artie. You're finished! Great job! Clowns are very colourful, Artie. I can't wait to see what colours you use.
Man, I hope he uses all the colors.
I love color.
You're finished. Wow, Artie, the clown came out so good, so colourful. I love the blue, I love the yellow, I really love his purple hair, and of course my favourite is his big, shiny red nose.
See you next time.
We'll see you again soon.
Thanks for watching, little artists. See you next time. Bye-bye.